If we apply one function and then another, we get what's known as a composite function. Here we have two functions, f of x and g of x. It's important to note that x in this situation just denotes the input. We can take a function of just about anything. If f of x was equal to 2x plus 1, then f of anything would be equal to 2 times anything plus 1. So if we input x into f, the output from that is f of x. If we input f of x into g, the output from that is g of f of x. This is called g of f of x, and it denotes that f is done first and then g. If you think about g of f of x, the x meets f first before it meets g. So f is done first and g second. We can do it the other way round. If x goes into g first, we get g of x output. This then acts as the input for f, so we get f of g of x. F of g of x tells us g is done first, and then f.